I can feel the hate, babe. Thank you so much. I can see you're kind of mad and I opening my mouth. I mean, we had to help each other. That's what we had to do. And if I had to sacrifice a little bit of the pain you give me for somebody to find salvation in Jesus Christ, our Savior, and not on lies from movies and music and commercial and all that stuff. So you can sprinkle your hate with a little bit of magic and voodoo and who knows what else. I will survive. I will make sure about that. And if for any reason I don't survive, it's because God chose for me to go home. It wasn't you, babe. So my trust is in the Lord, not in you.